Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workbench. Hopefully the audio is a little better than this time. Today I'm going to be working on, oh look, the Jaguar with more capacitors. So, what I want to do is go ahead and pull one of these IC chips out here and see if we can get the other one. I already came through with some solder wick on the larger boost and buck converter. This is something though. It's a lot easier with the stereoscope. Let's see what I can do here. Let's see. Let's take a look-see. There you are. There's a hole in it. I got most of the solder off. I have a bladed iron tip on it right now, which is kind of weird looking. Looks like that. Let's see if I can get under this easily or not. I think I'll do is just clip it out and then pull off all the legs. Let's see. Let's drop it down to 305. Because this part is more or less dead anyway, it doesn't matter. You can actually see the hole in it. Maybe we can see it under the other microscope. Okay, let's see. There's the little guy in question. Yeah, because I snipped one of the leads and just popped right off. Let's see if I can get in there and snip the rest of them. The main thing is I don't want to accidentally pull up any of the pads on here. That's just going to be a general pain in the butt. Let's see. See if I can get this whole side up clipped. see what we can do here. Again, my big goal is to make sure I don't damage the pads. Do this under the stereoscope. It's actually really hard to do in 2 dimensions. You can't really see how far down you are. Good. Alright. It looks ugly, but I didn't break anything yet. Alright. So if you end up seeing part of my head, it's just me working with the scope, the stereo microscope. Good, all the pads look nice. It's hard to be really chatty when you're working on surface mount components. I've noticed that. So sorry about not talking that much. It just takes a fair bit of concentration, to be honest with you. It's not something you wouldn't want to try to run a radio show with while you're unmounting surface mount components. Probably why it's not the genre. Let's see if I can pop this up. Yep. Came right up. Just gonna break it off. There's the dead one. And I need to go through the fine tipped and clean it up. Okay. So I'll do that later. Now I'll do a couple of caps since my other iron's hot. Too hot, actually. It's probably going to melt a hole through my table eventually. So I did notice one interesting thing. They labeled the same, they used the same capacitor label on which one was it? C24. There's a C24 here. There's another C24 here, which is unusual. Usually I don't see that kind of make on the fiducial marks that they have the same thing, because I already replaced C24 here, and I'm going through writing what these down are first, and then it's like, why do I have 2 C24s? So that's odd. It's actually quite unusual to see a mistake like that, but oh well. That came right out. That was C10. C10 is a 10 microfarad 50. Yeah, I'm delightfully old school. I write stuff down. go. Nice and clean. That was a 1050. 10 microfarad 50. 1050. I got the blade on there still, but it shouldn't matter. I'll use the tip of it. Just the tip. Oh, it's a good tip. Lots of heat. It's a big iron tip. Alright, next up we have... Get you out of the way. We have C39. Did I write it as a 34? It's actually 39. C39. C39. Okay, I got one side out. I need to get the other side out. Okay, so that was a 2216. So C39, and you are 2216 volt. 2216. 2216. 2250. Actually, I don't need it anywhere else. 35. 1. That's gotta be that one. 2216 volt. Luckily, if they sent me the wrong ones, I got plenty more of my other workbench. Clean that one up a little bit. $22 microfarad. I always forget what farad's equal to. It's like so many coulombs of charge. And there's a coulomb you don't use very often as a unit. One hole is being a little bit frisky. positives here, negatives there. Well, I do enjoy working on American-made electronics every now and then. It's good to know that at least we used to make some electronics here. Still do make some, mostly military though. Shame, really. Alright. Good. Well, that's going to be it for now. I might do more later, but it's just cap replacements right now, so I only got about 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 more left to do. Then I'll switch iron tips, and then I'll solder in the new ICs in place. So that's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching.